Hi everyone. Let's solve SMO Junior 2024. Round 2, question 1. We are given an isosceles right-angled triangle ABC with area equal to 1. We need to find the length of the shortest segment that divides the triangle into two parts of equal area. Let AB and BC both be equal to A. Since triangle ABC is right-angled and isosceles, at B, the area is 1/2 times a squared, which equals 1. So A is equal to square root of 2. We notice that segment BD clearly divides the triangle into two equal parts. So the answer is at most 1, because BD is equal to 1. Now let's consider a general segment EF from point E on BC to point F on AC. Such that triangle EFC has half the area of triangle ABC. Let EC be X and let FG be H, where G is the foot of the perpendicular from F to BC. Then EG is X minus H. So area of triangle EFC is 1/2 times X minus H times H, which is equal to 1/2. This gives us X times H equals 1. Now apply the Pythagorean theorem. EF squared equals X minus H squared plus H squared. We want to minimize EF under the constraint X times H equals 1. We are given that X times H equals 1. Now we express EF squared as EF squared equals X minus H squared plus H squared. Expanding the first term, we get. That simplifies to X squared minus 2 plus 2H squared. We rewrite it as X squared plus 2H squared minus 2. Now apply the AMGM inequality on X squared and 2H squared. By AMGM, X squared plus 2H squared is greater than or equal to 2 times the square root of X squared times 2H squared. This gives EF squared is greater than or equal to 2 root 2 minus 2. So EF squared is greater than or equal to 2 root 2 minus 2. Taking square root on both sides, EF is greater than or equal to square root of 2 root 2 minus 2. Equality occurs when X squared equals 2 over X squared, which gives X equals 2 to the power 1/4. Therefore, the shortest segment EF has a length square root of 2 root 2 minus 2. Therefore, the shortest segment EF has a length square root of 2 root 2 minus 2, which is approximately 0.9108. This is indeed less than 1, so EF is shorter than BD. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this solution, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.